Hello everybody, Magic Mike here. Today we're going to be going over an authorized repair MacBook that is not powering on. Quoted $900 to repair. Oh my god, what happened here? Really? Really? Oh my god. Don't bother unscrewing it, just break it off. Going 3 for 3. Now let's jump into actually fixing this motherboard. Step 1, check how it behaves. When we hook it up to a DC power supply, the board draws 140 milliamps without the battery connected. Step 2, check board for corrosion. There is a little bit of corrosion by the SMC. Step 3, clean up corrosion. There is a little bit of corrosion underneath the motherboard on the case. Step 4, check for board faults. Voila, we found a short. Step 5, remove shorts and clean up. Step 6, recheck for life. $10 milliamp draw is a good start. Woohoo! MacBook is alive again. This is the importance of getting a second opinion. If you have any other MacBook related problems, including no power, not starting, contact Magic Mike today.